Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming core prerequisites: citizenship, clean background, and basic medical clearance, because agencies require safe, dependable operators. Once confirmed, gather essential documents like your resume, certifications, seafaring log, and ID so you can apply immediately. Then locate active openings with the National Maritime Agency, state parks, or private owners and note application deadlines. This prevents lost opportunities and lets you prioritize which applications to complete first. You now move into the detailed middle steps. Customize your resume and cover letter to emphasize maintenance, navigation, and solitude-ready skills so reviewers see fit immediately. Once done, submit applications online or by mail with 3 references and your seafaring logs. Make sure to follow file and format instructions. Next, prepare for practical assessments, navigation, basic engine repair, and emergency procedures, because successful candidates prove competence, not just paperwork, during evaluations. You finish by attending the interview or site visit and demonstrating hands-on skills plus situational judgment. Be concise and show how you handle isolation and maintenance. Then negotiate contract details: pay, housing, travel reimbursement, and shift rotation, so expectations match reality. Once onboarded, complete any required training. If things go wrong, ask for rejection feedback, enroll in targeted training, or take temporary/volunteer keeper roles to build experience and reapply stronger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.